So, here's the plan. If you want to be a superhero, the superhero must defeat the villains. Yeah, mine too. If you're the villain, people might think that there's a villains and destroy every cities. Oh my, that is not good enough. Yeah, mine too. B3, B4. Anyways, if you want to do this quietly, people might think that he did a great job at this. That is great. But if you do that louder, people might think that there's a slow motion sound effects. Oh my freaking god. Well, that wasn't good enough. But if you do that right away, people might think you did a great job too. Correct! Anyways, are you guys ready? And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, new favorite. Maybe we should play so quietly so no one can hear it.